Yeti Roadie 24 Cooler. The Yeti Roadie 24 Cooler is your go-to for any outdoor adventure. Measuring 16.5 by 14.5 by 17.5 inches, it's compact yet spacious enough to hold 18 cans. Weighing just 13 pounds when empty, it's a breeze to carry to your campsite or beach outing. This cooler is incredibly versatile, perfect for weekend trips, fishing, or backyard barbecues. Its top-notch permafrost isolation keeps your items cold for an extended period, making it ideal for preserving perishables. Built with Yeti's roto-molded construction, the Roadie 24 is durable and long-lasting. The never-fail hinge system and T-Rex latches ensure a secure closure, while the hefty hauler handle makes carrying comfortable. Despite its many advantages, it comes at a higher price point and may offer limited storage for longer trips. In summary, the Yeti Roadie 24 Cooler is a high-quality, reliable choice for those unwilling to compromise on performance. Moonland's Camping Table. The Moonland's Camping Table is a game-changer in portable outdoor furniture. Measuring 22 by 16 by 16 inches, it strikes the perfect balance between utility and portability. Weighing a mere 1.7 pounds, it's a backpacker's dream, effortlessly fitting into your gear without adding bulk. The table's high-quality aluminum alloy construction sets it apart. This material choice ensures durability while resisting rust, a crucial feature for gear exposed to the elements. The roll-up top and foldable frame are not just design gimmicks, they make setup and takedown a breeze, saving you valuable time in the wilderness. Anti-slip rubber feet add an extra layer of stability, making this table reliable on uneven terrains. Versatility is where this table truly shines. Whether you're using it for meal prep, as a coffee station, or a makeshift workstation in the wild, it delivers. It can support up to 33 pounds, ample for most camping needs. However, it's essential to note that while it's sturdy, it's not designed for extremely heavy loads or to withstand severe weather conditions. In summary, the Moonland's Camping Table is a well-engineered piece of camping gear that offers a remarkable blend of convenience and functionality. Sunnyfield Camping Director's Chair. The Sunnyfield Camping Director's Chair is not your average portable seat. It's a comprehensive outdoor seating solution. Weighing around 12 pounds, it's slightly heavier than your typical camping chair, but what it adds in weight, it more than makes up for in features and comfort. Constructed with high-grade aluminum and 600D Oxford fabric, this chair is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. One of its standout features is the built-in side table and cooler bag, which elevated from a mere chair to a multifunctional piece of camping equipment. The ergonomic design, complete with padded armrests and a high backrest, ensure that you can sit for extended periods without discomfort. This chair is as versatile as it is durable. It's ideal for a variety of outdoor activities, from camping and tailgating to attending outdoor concerts. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of body types. While it offers premium features, it also offers a premium price. However, if you're in the market for a chair that seamlessly blends comfort, durability, and functionality, the Sunnyfield Camping Director's Chair is an investment worth considering. Nemo Helio Portable Pressure Camp Shower. The Nemo Helio Portable Pressure Camp Shower is a game-changer for outdoor hygiene, weighing just 1.6 pounds and packing down to the size of a water bottle. It's incredibly portable and easy to include in your camping gear. The 11-litre capacity provides a 5 to 7 minute shower, ample time to rinse off the day's grime. What sets this camp shower apart is its foot pump, which allows for a steady, controlled flow of water. This eliminates the need for gravity-fed systems, giving you the freedom to shower while standing, sitting, or even washing your pets or gear. The 7-foot neoprene hose is long enough to provide flexibility in how and where you use it. Made from high-quality, durable PU-coated polyester and thermoplastic polyurethane, it's built to withstand the elements. The black fabric also helps to naturally heat the water when left in the sun. While the Helio offers an exceptional showering experience, it's worth noting that it's not designed for long, luxurious showers due to its limited water capacity. However, for those who prioritize efficiency and versatility in their outdoor gear, the Nemo Helio Portable Pressure Camp Shower is an excellent choice. LumenAid 2-in-1 Solar Camping Lantern and Phone Charger. The LumenAid 2-in-1 Solar Camping Lantern and Phone Charger is a revolutionary piece of gear that addresses two critical needs for outdoor enthusiasts: lighting and power. Weighing just under 10 ounces, this device is incredibly portable, making it a must-have for any camping trip, hiking expedition, or emergency kit. The lantern offers adjustable brightness levels, providing up to 50 hours of LED light on a single charge. Its collapsible design allows for easy storage and expands into a full-sized lantern when in use. The built-in solar panel ensures that you can recharge it during the day, making it an eco-friendly option. But what truly sets this device apart is its integrated phone charger. With a 5-volt USB output, it's capable of charging your smartphone, GPS, or other USB devices, making it a versatile piece of equipment. Constructed from heavy-duty, weather-resistant TPU plastic, it's designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. While it offers multiple functionalities, it does so without compromising on performance or durability. If there is a drawback, it's that the solar charging can be slow, especially in low-light conditions. However, the LumenAid 2-in-1 is an invaluable addition to your outdoor gear, offering both convenience and reliability. Doyo 110-watt 18-volt portable foldable solar panel kit. The Doyo 110-watt 18-volt portable foldable solar panel kit is a powerhouse in renewable energy solutions for the outdoors. Weighing just 9 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight for its output, making it an ideal choice for campers, hikers, and anyone needing off-grid power. The kit's standout feature is its high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, which offer a reliable energy source. With an 18-volt output, it's capable of charging a wide range of devices from smartphones and laptops to portable refrigerators. The kit also includes a solar controller providing overcharge protection and optimize the charging process. Its foldable design is not just for portability, it also allows for easy setup and storage. The kit comes with a convenient carrying handle and protective case, making it both portable and durable. While the Doyo solar panel offers a robust power solution, it's essential to note that its efficiency can be affected by weather conditions. Cloudy or overcast skies will slow down the charging process. Campkeeper SUV Car Tent. The Campkeeper SUV Car Tent is a groundbreaking innovation in the realm of outdoor accommodation, offering a seamless blend of comfort and convenience. Weighing around 200 pounds, it's relatively easy to transport, making it a versatile option for various outdoor activities, from camping and road trips to festivals. What sets this tent apart is its unique design that allows it to attach directly to the rear of an SUV, transforming your vehicle into an extended living space. This feature provides an added layer of security and comfort, as you can easily access your car's interior without stepping outside. Constructed from high-quality water-resistant polyester fabric, the tent is built to withstand both rain and wind. It comes with a rainfly and storm flaps, offering extra protection against the elements. The mesh windows and door provide excellent ventilation while keeping bugs at bay. While the Campkeeper SUV car tent offers unparalleled convenience, it's worth noting that it's designed specifically for SUVs, limiting its versatility for those without compatible vehicles. However, if you're an SUV owner looking for a convenient, comfortable and secure outdoor lodging solution, this tent is an excellent investment. Sedoka Car Trunk Organizer. The Sedoka Car Trunk Organizer is an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts who value both organization and durability. Lightweight yet robust, this organizer effortlessly fits into your camping or road trip setup. Crafted from high-density 1680D oxide polyester, it's not just durable but also water-resistant, offering a reliable storage solution for a variety of items. The organizer comes with a range of compartments, including mesh pockets and solid dividers, making it easy to sort and secure everything from emergency kits to snacks and clothing. Additional features like Velcro straps and a non-slip bottom ensures the organizer stays put, even when you're navigating through challenging terrains. One point to consider is the organizer's size. While it offers ample storage, it does occupy a significant portion of trunk space, which might be a concern for those with limited room. However, if you're in the market for a storage solution that's as versatile as it is durable, the Sedoka Car Trunk Organizer is well worth the investment. Haty SUV Inflatable Air Mattress. The Haty SUV Inflatable Air Mattress redefines comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts and road trippers. Despite weighing just around 12 pounds, the Air Mattress offers a luxurious sleeping experience that's easy to incorporate into your travel plans. Made from durable, puncture-resistant PVC, the mattress is built to last. Its flock-top surface elevates the comfort level, making it feel less like an inflatable mattress and more like a traditional bed. The quick inflation and deflation process, facilitated by an efficient electric pump, means you can set up or pack away your sleeping space in mere minutes. What sets this mattress apart is its seamless integration with most SUVs. It's designed to fit snugly in the back of your vehicle, effectively turning it into a cozy mobile bedroom. This feature is invaluable for a variety of situations, from camping trips to long drives and even as an emergency bed for guests. While the mattress excels in many areas, it's worth mentioning that it's not designed to use on rough or uneven surfaces. Nonetheless, if you're in search of a convenient, comfortable and quick to set up sleeping solution, the Haty SUV Inflatable Air Mattress is a top contender. Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove. The Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove sets the standard for outdoor culinary adventures. At around 12 pounds, it's easily transportable, making it a versatile choice for campers who don't want to compromise on cooking capabilities. Made from durable steel, this stove is designed to withstand the elements. It comes equipped with 3 adjustable burners that deliver a total of 30,000 BTUs, enabling you to prepare multiple dishes at once. The wind blocker panels are a thoughtful addition, providing effective shielding for the burners to ensure even heat distribution. Another notable feature is the Perfect Flow technology, which guarantees consistent fuel pressure for a steady flame. This is especially useful in challenging conditions like high altitudes or strong winds. Cleaning up is also simplified thanks to a removable chrome-plated grate. While the stove offers exceptional performance, it's worth noting that you'll need to carry a separate propane tank, which adds to the overall weight. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance cooking solution for your outdoor excursions, the Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove is a worthy contender.